Imagine this, you walk out to your car in broad daylight, everything looks normal until it doesn't. One tiny zip tie on your door handle could turn your daily drive into a nightmare orchestrated by pros, and that's just the beginning. Over the past 5 years, car insurance premiums have skyrocketed 80%, and it's not just inflation or fancy new tech. It's exploding car scams that are getting bolder, smarter, and more dangerous by the day. Innocent people have lost everything, some even ended up in jail, and one victim got hit with a $650,000 nightmare. In this video, I'm breaking down 17 devastating car scams you need to know right now. These aren't hypotheticals, these are real tactics hitting driveways, parking lots, and intersections near you. Stick with me because by the end you'll feel armed, alert, and way harder to target. Let's dive in. Scam number 17, Apple AirTag and Hidden Tracker Scam. Thieves don't need to tail you anymore. They can plant a tiny tracker and wait for the perfect moment from miles away. Over 350,000 cars vanish from residential driveways annually, and modern tools like Apple AirTags, tile trackers, or cheap GPS pucks make it ridiculously easy. They slip these devices on while you're distracted at the mall, pumping gas, or even accepting help with groceries. Favorite hiding spots? Behind license plates, inside wheel wells, or tucked near the gas cap. The scary part, it's not always about stealing the car immediately. Sometimes they use it to map your routines, then hit your home when you're gone. If you're on iPhone and you get that AirTag found moving with you alert, do not ignore it. Tap through, follow the sound, and call the police right away. Android users, grab a tracker detection app and use it regularly. Small habit, massive protection. Scam number 16, the Wave on Intersection Scam. This one's deceptively simple and brutally effective. You're at a stop, someone waves you through like a good Samaritan. You pull out and bam, their partner slams into you from the blind spot. The waiver vanishes, you're stuck with the damage and the blame because you entered the intersection. No witnesses, no proof, and insurance often sides against you. This is exactly why a solid dash cam isn't optional anymore. Right now during Prime Day, grab the Red Tiger F17 Elite for just $175.99. Use code RTF17025 on Amazon or F17M on their site. Offer runs June 23rd to 26th only. This thing is a beast. 4K front, 2.5K rear, 1080p cabin view, all with Sony Starvis 2 sensors that crush low light and night footage. Night guard mode keeps watching even when parked. Hardwire it once and sleep easy knowing every angle is covered. Links in the description, don't wait. Scam number 15, CAN injection scam. You walk up to your car and something feels off. The headlight sits a little crooked, the bumper looks disturbed. Most people shrug it off. Big mistake. Thieves pop a headlight or bumper to access wiring that leads straight to the ECU. They plug in a CAN injection tool, hack the system, and drive away like it's theirs. No broken glass, no noise. One guy in a quiet neighborhood lost his $50,000 SUV after ignoring those warning signs twice. Trust your gut. If anything looks tampered, take photos, check underneath, and don't drive until you're sure. A quality dash cam with motion detection is your best witness when cops need proof. Scam number 14, parking lot key jamming. You swear you hit the lock button, but when you return, the door opens right up. Your mind isn't failing you, thieves are. They use signal jammers or key hammers to block the lock signal while you're walking away. Once you're gone, they stroll in, grab valuables, snap photos of documents for identity theft, and leave everything looking untouched. Prevention is straightforward. Stand right next to the car when you lock it, then physically tug the handles to confirm. Make it a habit and you'll shut this one down cold. Scam number 13, fake coolant leak. You're heading to your car when a friendly guy points out a colorful puddle underneath. Claims he's a mechanic, offers to help. All you need to do is pop the hood and rev the engine. The second you do, he loosens the radiator and creates a massive antifreeze fountain. Suddenly you're facing a major repair, quote, in the thousands. Rule 1, never open your hood for strangers. Check your dashboard lights first. If something feels wrong, tell them you're calling the cops to document it. Watch how fast they disappear. Scam number 12, the windshield money trap, aka the Santa Claus gambit. Cold morning, you jump in, crank the heat, and as the ice melts you spot cash on the windshield. Human nature kicks in, you hop out to grab it, engine running. Seconds later, someone jumps in and drives off with your car, leaving fake money behind. This has been spreading since at least 2014. Some versions use monopoly bills. Lock your doors immediately, call 911 from inside the car if you see suspicious cash, and never leave it running unattended. Simple, but it works. Scam number 11, the fake tow truck. Tow trucks rolling up in broad daylight looking completely legit, city decals, everything. They hook your car at a motel or lot while everyone minds their business. Other versions prey on stranded drivers in bad weather, charging insane fees, or drag you to their shady mechanic. Always verify, call the company yourself, match the license plate and driver name before they touch anything. Don't assume the decal is real. Scam number 10, the fake parking ticket trick. You return to an official-looking ticket with a QR code and suspiciously low fine. In your rush to pay before it increases, you hit the fake site and hand over your card details. Thieves drain your accounts while you're driving home. Never pay via QR codes on tickets. Google the official city or county site, look up your plate number, and pay directly. Scam number 9, VIN cloning. Criminals find a clean vehicle matching yours, duplicate the VIN plates, stickers, titles, and paperwork. They sell it cheap, you think you scored a deal until cops show up to take it back. Victims lose tens of thousands with zero recourse. Always run a full history report through Carfax or similar before buying. If the price seems too good, walk away. Verify the VIN in multiple places on the car. Scam number 8, fake accident bump. Light rear end at an intersection. You jump out to exchange info, keys still in the ignition. Their partner slides in and takes off while you're distracted. Nearly half of car thefts happen because drivers leave keys inside or doors unlocked even briefly. Stay in the car, call police from inside, assess safely, and never leave it vulnerable. Scam number 7, the gas station approach. Friendly stranger starts chatting about your car, a supposed leak, or directions. While you're distracted at the pump, their partner cleans out your unlocked vehicle. Card skimmers on pumps make it even worse. Lock up every time, pay inside after securing the car, stick to well-lit pumps near the attendant, and avoid sketchy stations without cameras. Scam number 6, the plastic bottle on the tire. You hear a crunch in the parking lot, get out to check the rear tire, bottle placed there on purpose. While you're on the passenger side, they jump in and steal the car, popularized on social media, now spreading fast. If you hear or feel something but the car still drives fine, keep going to a police station or busy, lit area. Never stop in isolated spots. Scam number 5, the panic wave. Driver pulls alongside waving wildly, pointing at your car like something's about to explode. You pull over to check, and that's when the real threat appears. First, glance at your dash for actual warning lights. If nothing, acknowledge them but keep driving to safety. Don't stop until you're somewhere secure. Scam number 4, the flat tire setup. Helpful person points out your flat tire and offers assistance or directions to a cheap shop. You end up overpaying for repairs or new tires that were sabotaged. Tire pressure monitoring lights don't lie. If no warning came on earlier, assume foul play and call police instead of accepting help. Scam number 3, the chatty helper. Hands full of shopping, stranger asks for directions or offers to help load bags. Their partner raids your front seat, especially targets people with kids or lots of packages. Park near entrances or security, get in the car and lock doors before engaging anyone. Safety first always looks a little rude, and that's okay. Scam number 2, the fake parking lot accident. Park next to a crooked car, come back to scratches and an angry owner demanding cash. Some rings even involve shady lawyers staging bigger accidents for massive payouts. One disbarred attorney helped net $650,000. Never admit fault on the spot. Call police, request footage, use your dash cam, park away from other cars when possible. Scam number 1, zip tie on your door handle. This one's exploding on social media and hitting cities hard. You spot a zip tie on the handle, instinct says remove it before it scratches paint. You step out and thieves pounce, one distracts while the other drives away. Driver-side zip tie, even worse signal, they've already marked you as an easy target for relay attacks or worse. Take a photo from inside, drive to safety, then remove it. Report to police with any dash cam evidence. Check your vehicle thoroughly. These 17 scams are real, they're growing, and awareness is your best defense. But the even bigger threat, dealership and mechanic scams that most people never see coming. Drop a comment with the scam that shocked you most, share this with friends and family who drive, and hit subscribe for more hard-hitting car protection videos. Stay safe out there, I'll see you in the next one.